Importance of sampling. Nowadays, every research scholar they are giving more priority to sampling. That was classified into probability sampling, non-probability sampling. In this probability sampling, it was classified into simple random sampling, area sampling, and systematic sampling, or the multi-stage sampling. And non-probability sampling, convenience sampling, purpose-oriented sampling, and judgment sampling. These are non-probability sampling. In research, data analysis that is depends on sampling. Without collection of sampling, there is no data analysis. Data analysis that is depends on samples collection. That is important and initial part of research. Whatever research areas has been selected by the scholars, in this moment they should go for apply sample tools and techniques, and they will try to analyze about the data. Sampling collection is important. Sample collection that is based on in a systematic manner. Questionnaire was framed by the researcher or scholar. On the basis of the questionnaire, the scholar will try to gather more and more samples. So without preparation of the questionnaire, there is no possibility to gather more information and to gather samples. So questionnaire based samples may be collected by the scholars. So sampling is important in research, particularly in social science research. Sampling is very important in social science research. Sampling is called as statistics sampling is a general technique. Statistics sampling is a general technique for estimating properties of a particular distribution. Properties of a particular distribution that was depends on sampling. While only having samples generated from a different distribution than the distribution of interest. While having samples distribution of a different distribution than the distribution of interest. So samples may be collected that is depends on distribution of interest. So the sampling collection based on basic theory, application to probabilistic interference, and application to simulation, a mathematical approach. In this sampling collection, mathematical technique also applied, and statistical tools and techniques also applied. Conventional basis methods, scaling, translation, evaluation, importance of sampling, effects of system complexity, they are depends on sampling collection. So sampling collection goes in a systematic manner.